everyone.
Morning.
Seems like a long time since we've done a van setting off introduction. We've had a lovely couple of days at our friend's house, and then we came down to Montclair. I think we had 4 nights there.
4 nights, yeah.
Yeah, which is the longest we've stopped anywhere since we left England.
Very nice it was too.
Yeah, nice friendly campsite. You know, good services, showers, toilets, all included in the price.
Yeah, they weren't the most modern, but they were clean.
Yeah, and sometimes that's all you want. But if you're paying £8.50 a night with your electric, and you've got a shower that works and is hot, and a toilet that flushes, then are you really that worried?
Plenty of water.
Yeah.
You know.
Straight access onto the beach.
Oh, all the orange trees here. Sorry, just got distracted.
As you do. Yeah, but we're just heading off to a place called Tereul, I believe. I don't know how it's correctly pronounced. But it's one of the ancient seats of Aragon. So, or Aragon.
Aragon. I think
Catherine of. Yes. But yeah, we're going to head up there. It's meant to be high in the mountains and very secluded.
And cold.
And possibly cold. But I'm going to flip you around to show you what a mix you get.
Got all the oranges.
You got orange groves. It looks like figs, great big figs maybe.
No, it's
look
oranges.
down a
Ooh.
secret crossroad that probably isn't used very much, but knowing my luck,
Be the one day that the tractor comes along. No, it's all oranges, darling.
it's all oranges. It looks a bit green on my side, that's all.
Yeah, yeah.
But then you've got some kind of industrial in front of us, which ain't so good. But you know what? We'll end it there and we'll come back when the views are a little bit better. After 300. Hello everyone, we've arrived at Teruel, which is the centre of Spanish paleontology. Just behind us over here we have Dinopolis, which is a dino world and a theme park, and next to it is actually the centre of paleontology for the region. But you can actually see the rock formation. The rocks are a multitude of colours around here. Absolutely. Reds, greys, browns, very striated. I'm going to bring you back to me and do it like that because it seems to have gone a little bit wiggy. But yeah, it's a little bit cool. Cooler than what we were expecting. But we're going to go and have a look at the town because it's meant to be quite an old town with a lot of Moorish architecture. So we will go and see.